Question 11. The table shows some of the values of y equals 2 times x squared, take away 5 times x, take away 1, for values of x from -2 to +4. Complete the table by finding the value of y for x equals -1 and x equals 2. I'm going to start by doing it for x equals 2. So for when x equals 2, becomes 2 times 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, so I got 8. Take away 5 times 2. 5 2s are 10, so 8 take away 10 is -2. Take away 1 is -3. So when x is 2, y is -3. When x is -1, it becomes 2 times -1 squared, minus 5 times -1, -1. So -1 times -1 is +1, so 2 1s are 2. -5 times -1 is +5. And -1, right, so we've got 2 add 5 is 7. Take away 1 is 6. Now, on this graph paper, I've got to plot them. So when x is -2, y is +17. So the first coordinate tells you how far across. The second one tells you if you're going up and down. So it was -2 plus 17. So I'm going to cross to -2 up to 17 is 15. Alright, and every 2 little squares is going to be 1. So 16, 17. So -2, 17 would be there. -1 plus 6. So I'm going to cross to -1 up to 5, up another 2 little squares. So that's 6. Across 0, down 1. So across 0, down 1, which is 2 little squares. Across 1, down 4. So it's 2 squares up from -5, because every 2 squares is 1. Across 2, down 3. Across 3, up 2. And across 4, up 11. What I'm going to do now is join them up the curve. Alright, join up the points to make a nice smooth curve. Part C. Draw the line y equals 5 on the graph paper. And write down the values of x where the line y equals 5 cuts that curve. Give your answer to 1 decimal place. So y equals 5 is a line going across the y line, cuts through the y-axis at 5. So there's my y equals 5 line. And where does my line meet the curve? So my line meets the curve at this point here and this point here. So it's 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, and then minus 0.9. There's a 1 square before -1. So it's minus 0.9 and 3.3. Circle the equation whose solutions are the values that you're given in C. So the original equation was 2x squared minus 5x minus 1. And now y has become 5. They've replaced it with 5. So if 5 plus 5 goes over the other side, becomes 2x squared minus 5x minus 1 minus 5. And minus 1 minus 5 is actually minus 6. So the actual answer to that is 2x squared minus 5x minus 6.